How to delete an uncategorized category in WordPress. This uncategorized category is a default category in WordPress, and all posts from deleted categories or posts with no category are assigned to this uncategorized category. So we can't delete this uncategorized category, but if you want to get rid of this category with an ugly name, I'll show you how to do it. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and you will be on this page. Go to Posts and click Categories. On the right side is the list of all the categories. When you hover your cursor over categories, Name Edit options will appear. Click the Quick Edit option. Type the new name. And then type a new slug according to the new name, Web. Slug is a search engine-friendly version of your category name, and that is why we use all lowercase letters. Now click the Update Category button. Notice that the name has been changed and there is no category named Uncategorized in the list. I hope you find this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching.